Colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. I would like to start by thanking the Brazilian Federal Council of Engineering and Agronomy, particularly its president, Joel Kruger, for inviting me to speak at this important annual event and speak to so many professionals that are essential to our mandate. After 18 months into the global pandemic, more than 250 million people have been infected and over 4.5 million lives were lost. This reveals that we need to correct our collective path towards unity and multilateralism to effectively tackle this common challenge. Similarly, tackling the other major challenge that is climate change will also require that we work together beyond borders. We need to act against deforestation and carbon emissions, which leads to increased flooding, extreme weathers, and other devastating disasters. The climate and health crisis have taught us a lesson, which is that in a globalized and interconnected world, our interests are shared. We need to come to the realization that international cooperation is not a matter of choice, but of survival. Therefore, for cities as well as countries, collaborative global governance is way towards a more sustainable, inclusive, and resilient future. This is why UN Habitat has been calling for addressing poverty, which is the root of many issues and key to protect the planet and improve the life and prospects of everyone, everywhere. By 2050, more than 70% of the world population will live in cities. Unplanned cities and weak governance can lead to severe consequences, including inadequate infrastructure, housing and basic services, excessive carbon emissions, as well as uncontrolled urban sprawl. I call upon all of you to cultivate the mindset that if well managed, cities could be the solution to many of the challenges we face today. Global governance requires all of us to act locally, and it starts with many of you as engineers, agronomists, and geoscientists. You are the key professionals who can help to implement and scale up good governance in line with the Sustainable Development Goals and the new urban agenda to make our cities more inclusive, sustainable, resilient, and healthy. As the United Nations agency responsible for promoting sustainable human settlements, UN Habitat works with professionals as yourself to achieve such ambition. In Brazil and many other parts of the world, we support local governments and strong associations such as your Federal Council to ensure that we leave no one and no place behind. In conclusions, I call up on all of you to always take into account the inclusive, sustainable, resilient principle when planning and implementing your projects. I encourage you to exchange best practices and work as a group towards these principles and urge governments to instill such values when shaping public policies. Please keep in mind that overcoming the most pressing global issues will require a collective effort, and that always starts with each and every one of us. Thank you, and I wish you fruitful discussions.